Hello beautiful people, good morning, good afternoon and good evening depending on where you're watching from. I'm Rao_KE. This is my kitchen and today cleaning of the utensils. This is what I don't like doing. If there's something I really don't like doing is washing utensils, and especially washing the spoons, but I have no choice, so I have to do it. These are the utensils I'm going to wash. You eat what you want, you choose what to cook. We wash utensils. Or some people think, well, maybe when you live abroad you only wash using the machines. No, not all the time. We also use our hands, because even that machine has got some cost attached to that. So we prefer washing, and this is how I wash my utensils. Guys, how do you wash your utensils? Do you always use a machine, or do you prefer using your hand at times? Some people feel like if you use your hand, you're not rich enough. Some people feel like when we live abroad, you're rich enough to just use machines all the time. Yet we actually use our hand, and we use just soap. Other people use it anywhere else. Saturdays has always been a busy day. I have to do a lot of cleaning, a lot of tidying up, a lot of washing. But what else do we do? We are meant to be women, and some people believe that that's the work of a woman to do all the house, to clean up, to cook, to tidy up. That's what we do. Very few husbands will always send their wives with the house chores. I say very few. I do not say all. I say not. I do not say mine doesn't do it. He does when he's available, but today he's not here, so I have to do everything by myself. I will give it time to. This is what I hate: washing spoons. I don't know whether you like washing spoons. I really don't like washing spoons and saucepans. I hate washing the saucepan. I don't mind cooking. I love cooking. Although sometimes I become a bit lazy. That's what you like doing over the weekends. How do you spend your weekend? My weekends, I spend my weekend by cleaning up my house, taking care of my plants. I have even some flowers in my house that I do take care of. So after this, I'm going to show you maybe the flowers. I believe this is the best time for me to do this. And chopping board. Maybe you can put it here for now. Guys, I like saucepan. I don't like washing saucepan, but I have to. And now I need to wash my dish rack. Because it's a cleaning day. Everything has to be sparkling clean. So whatever is there needs to be clean. In a busy day, it's cold outside actually. We are still on winter, and luckily enough there was a bit of sun today, so that's why I decided to do one or two things, as you can see. It's a beautiful day, just for running in the sun. This is where I put my utensils after washing them, and you can drain the water. So since I'm doing the cleaning today, I have to clean it too. It's clean enough. for sure. I don't know. I have this thing that is in my mind, and I think it's good time to talk about it as I'm doing this cleaning now. I always ask myself, how does it feel when you, how do I call it? How do I put it? I don't want to make it sound like been pointing on somebody, but I just want to ask you, how does it feel when you give support to other people? How does it feel like when you do something that you love doing and you do it actually perfectly with good intentions? For example, I know people might be wondering, what am I talking about? When you give something or when you support somebody, how does it make you feel? I believe some people have a very different thought. Maybe they must be wondering, what is she talking about? Why is she asking such a question? I'm just asking innocently with a good intention, because we are bound to help one another. Today I help you, tomorrow you help me. When you subscribe to my channel, you're helping me actually. And when I subscribe to your channel, I'm also helping you. When you watch my video, you're helping me. Come on guys, don't you think so? So, you can also show me how you wash your plates. Maybe I'm not doing it the right way, but this is how I wash my plates. This is how my mom taught me. You apply soap and then you rinse. So that's what I know. Today, all in all, we thank God for His mercies. We thank God for everything. It's by God's grace that we are here to even wash these plates. It's by God's grace that we are alive today. So many things have been happening. Some incidents and accidents on the roads. Even in the air flight accidents have been so many recently. But we just pray and keep trusting that God will keep us safe. To those who lost their loved ones, that is it. Life has to continue. Oh guys, it's good, nice talking to you, because it makes my washing very fast. I feel like I've been so quick today. Wash the utensils. This is actually what I do last every day, because I don't like washing utensils. So I'd rather clean the house, do the laundry, then finalize by washing the utensils. I have to clean the kitchen. I hope you love it. Okay, what do I do? This is what I use. This is what I use to wash the utensils, my system. It's a scoring powder. That's what I use. Jesus is Lord. When I score, I use that one to clean the. Then I take this one. The scoring powder. I don't know whether it's called a scoring powder or what. I call it a scoring powder. Maybe a bit of soap. I'm actually new in YouTube and I'm just trying to make some videos. You can like, you can comment, you can subscribe. You can also share my videos with your friends. In everything that we do, even for a child to grow, there's a starting point. So this is a starting point, and I believe we're gonna make it through. We're gonna work together and we'll make it through, guys. Actually, guys, this is a starting point, but all shall be well. There's always time for everything. Okay. So, just a little bit. Okay, smile. We're ready to wash. We don't eat a lot at home, so we only use a few utensils during the week, and that makes me to clean them like twice or thrice a week, depending on what you use them for. You feel like you've done a lot of work, yet actually it's not quite too much. I'll be glad to see your comments. I'll be glad to see your likes. Just hit that subscribe button and don't forget to share. Cleaning the utensils. And then you can do it. Any corner, anywhere, it can go around. And then when you finish, you can just let it in. Oh, there you go. Give them time to drip, to drain the water. Then I'll do what? I'll keep them later. Meanwhile. Okay, thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you like and subscribe. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, brown_ke. See you next time in the next one. Bye bye.